Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings. Welcome to this easy acrylic paint tutorial for beginners where we will create a relaxing sunset scenes. So let's get started. First take your canvas and paint the background. Start with the light yellow near the horizon and blend upward into orange. As we move up the canvas, we will transition to soft pink and finally a calm blue at the top. Don't worry about making it perfect, just let the color blend naturally. Next, grab a clean brush and gently blend the transition lines between the color. Use soft sweeping motion to create a seamless sky. This process is all about taking your time and enjoying the flow of paint on your canvas. Now it's time to add the sun. Using white or a light yellow, paint a small circle just above the horizon. Make sure it's centered and soft around the edges to create that beautiful glowing effect of setting sun. For the reflection on the water, use horizontal strokes of yellow, orange, and pink. Keep your strokes loose and free to mimic the shimmering light on the water surface. Now, for the finishing touch, keep create a silhouette by painting simple black shapes of trees or mountain in the foreground. Don't worry about too much detail. Keeping it simple adds the peaceful vibe of this sunset. And there you have it, a relaxing sunset, perfect for beginners. Feel free to add your own personal touches and colors. Remember, painting is about expression, so enjoy the process. Thanks for joining. Happy drawing. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and also press the bell icon